Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preserving your state. Save or screenshot important changes so you don't lose work. Once done, use the app's close or quit command from its menu or title bar because that triggers the app's normal shutdown sequence. If the app is visible on the taskbar or dock, make sure to right-click its icon and choose close/quit. This often gracefully ends background tasks. Doing these first reduces risk of data corruption and keeps other system resources stable. If the app won't respond, you escalate to the system tool. On Mac, press Option Command Desk, select the app and force quit. This tells Mac OS to terminate the app's processes quickly. On Windows, press Control-Shift-Desk to open Task Manager. Pick the app process and end task to free RAM and CPU. On Linux, use xkill or run kill-9 PID in a terminal for the specific process. These methods stop hung apps but may discard unsaved data, so only use them when necessary. After closing, relaunch the app only after checking for updates that might fix crashes. Updates often resolve bugs and memory leaks. Once done, if problems persist, reboot the laptop to clear resource locks and reload drivers, which solves many intermittent issues. Make sure to reinstall the app or check its logs if crashes repeat, and run built-in diagnostics for disk or RAM errors. If nothing helps, backup data and contact support with error messages. This troubleshooting step prevents repeated data loss.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.